Look what just came in the mail. Yes, today we're gonna do an unboxing on two hyped clones. The two fragrances we're gonna talk about: French Avenue's Obsidian
and Vulcan Feu by French Avenue, if that's how you say it.
fragrances in there. Nothing crazy, nothing too fancy, but this is what the bottle looks like. Looks like a fake knife all out of plastic with some glass right there with a sturdy cap.
Look at this. Ta-da! Hold on, y'all need a close up. You see the snake skin pattern? Oh my goodness.
I would definitely say that the Vulcan Feu wins in the presentation. This is what the bottle's gonna look like.
Look at that close up of the eyes.
Okay, they got like little blue CZs in here, blue fake diamonds, yeah. But yeah, it looks nice, again, sturdy. And let's get to smelling.
Okay.
Not too shabby, seemed okay. Not too crazy. Okay, smelling something nice, juicy and fruity in the air. Obsidian. That one seemed like a wider distribution. Got some on the fingies.
Whoa, hold up. I smelled something. Was that? I don't know if it was that, but that smelled really good. Oh, it might be this one.
Yeah. So off rip, I'll go ahead and start. Off rip, it seems like the Vulcan Feu smelled pretty good. Nice juicy fruitiness coming out, aromatics, something that I myself can see wearing. Compared to the Obsidian, it could be a mixture of the smells in the air, but off rip, I'm getting like a citrusy, but almost like a citrus that's been sitting out in the kitchen for a little while, so it's kind of starting to go bad, so it starts giving out like that funky kind of smell. And then compare it to the Vulcan Feu, definitely more on the unisex vibe. I don't even know how to explain this. This smells like something very familiar though, but it's almost think almost like a creamsicle or a mango candy. It's almost like a candy type, but uplifting, fresh, cool. Definitely like it more than the Obsidian. The Obsidian to me smells like OJ pretty much, and maybe like of some splashes of champagne in that bit. But go ahead, tell them what you think. Talk your wish.
Okay. So the Vulcan, to me, the very first thing that I smelled was something fruity and sweet. Like, I don't know if you guys have ever tried Mexican candy, but it smells exactly like that. So it's like tamarindo, which would be tamarind with like mango, maybe a little bit of pineapple or something. Uh, just smells really, really good. This one, what was it called?
The Obsidian.
The Obsidian. If I'm being completely honest, I didn't even realize that it was a knife. But I'm smelling something. How do I describe it? I did hear you say something about going bad. I wouldn't say that, but it does smell kind of smoky, like what's the word? Like a citrusy, smoky drink, like our old fashions citrusy.
You got a little orange
Yeah,
feel.
that might be it. Cause think of a drink that has like a little orange or lime slice, and they like dehydrate it, and they look like that, and then they like sprinkle some like cinnamon sugar, and then set it on fire. It smells like that.
Cool. Out of the both, which one do you think is your favorite? Do you see that as more unisex, something that you could see yourself wearing?
Yeah, for sure.
Yep. And that being said, if you're the type of guy that you don't like unisex scents or you don't like smelling a little feminine, I would say that this goes really both ways. It can go both men and female. It just smells good, fruity, fresh. I do feel like I pick up a little bit of florals in the back, but yeah, like she said, like mango candy in a way you can say. But yeah, really nice fragrance. I agree. I think I like the Vulcan Feu more than the Obsidian. The Obsidian, as it's starting to dry down, does seem to not be as intense on those citrusy vibes. It is an extrait de parfum. I think I just saw in the bottle, so You know, it's definitely going to be really intense in the first hour, first couple of hours, first minutes, absolutely. But yeah, as it's drying down, I'm definitely getting like a more creamy, orangey type of vibe. I wouldn't say boozy necessarily, but I guess you could say that. Not so much watery, but you know, definitely a little sweetness in there, maybe some ambers, but not too bad. You know, I could see these fragrances in a week turning into some masterpieces from French Avenue. But yeah, I would say between these two, this one definitely won. This one was okay. I would say that this was a W in the blind buy. I would say that this one, not so much, at least in the beginning. So I'll check in a week and see, you know, if it turned out to be better. I'll give Vulcan Feu off for it maybe like an 8, and I would give the Obsidian like a 6.5. Upsetting because there was some hype, 2 hype clones, 2 that I've heard from a lot, especially Vulcan Fue. So like I said, this one is definitely really nice. I remember getting my brother-in-law the Mason Alhambra one, the Skeptra Malachite, the green bottle one, and that one's smelling really nice. I do smell a little difference in between the two from what I remember in the beginning of the other one. I don't know which one I liked more. I'm thinking Mason Alhambra. Slick off the beginning, but they both smell really great in my opinion. You have any final comments? That's okay.
Yeah, like I said, this one is more of a unisex, so I could definitely see myself wearing it. This one I feel is more manly-ish than this one. Um, but I really like the bottle. This one, it's okay. It'd be like a cool little collection. Like I said, I didn't really notice that it was a knife till like later on, but still cool. This one for me won because it smells really like sweet, not super sweet, but it smells sweet, fresh. It just smells really good. I feel like if you wear it or if anyone wears it, you're gonna get some
Smelling good.
good comments. Yes.
Yeah, and that's gonna be the fragrance video for today, guys. Love you guys. Appreciate y'all for watching this long. If y'all have, leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you guys like this type of content. We'll see you guys next time on the next video. Love all the support. Peace.